Hey there, solopreneurs. Suzanne Tulene, brand clarity expert here. I know you have a lot of choices when it comes to taking workshops and webinars to enhance your business building skills. So I wanted to make the decision about considering my Crack Your Brand DNA Code for Competitive Advantage workshop a little bit easier by giving you the top 3 reasons you should not enroll in this workshop and find another one that's better suited for you. Okay? So here goes. Reason number 1, not to enroll. You love the risk and challenge of marketing your business for little or no ROI, and you love the customer chase. Believe it or not, I've met some of you that thrive on this challenge of finding that perfect marketing campaign and that perfect medium to reach your target customer and actually get a kick out of spending lots of cash and playing the marketing game. I bet you loved going to Vegas too. So you shouldn't enroll in this workshop because the result of this is identifying and defining your brand, then stepping into the actions and behaviors that create distinction and competitive advantage, often resulting in spending less in marketing, and you would really miss that challenge. Reason number 2, you happen to believe that working on your business isn't a necessity to growing it. This comes from a mindset of, I don't have time to work on it because I'm the only one in it actually working it. I know, I'm an entrepreneur too. But I learned this kind of thinking is a trap, and it can become a vicious cycle to a downward spiral. So don't enroll in this workshop because it's 2 days of working on your brand and identifying it so that you're better at making decisions and keeping you distinctive, staying in your lane, and becoming known as the expert in your industry. So this isn't for you if you're too busy working in your business, because we're spending 2 days working on your business, and this would drive you absolutely crazy. Reason number 3 for not to enroll in this workshop. You're okay with inconsistency because you believe it shows you're creative and innovative. Actually, you probably think you're pretty consistent already because it's your business and you know it inside and out, right? The dilemma comes from being a consistent chameleon who is the master at changing and adapting to fit different markets you believe that need your services, which over time is unsustainable and dilutes your brand, confuses your market. So this is what I learned in my 15 years of delivering this methodology. So don't enroll in this workshop because you'll be uncovering and naming your unique brand DNA, which is your blueprint that will become foundationally steadfast to what makes you unique. And then you get to be highly consistent in showcasing it over and over to build trust and gain advocacy and ultimately becoming what you want to be known for in the minds of your markets. You see, it really is about consistency. So those are my 3 reasons that you shouldn't enroll in my 2-day Crack Your Brand DNA Code for Competitive Advantage workshop. It's coming up. Phew, I hope I saved you some time and helped you eliminate that consideration for taking that next step to elevate your personal brand and business. But if you change your mind and want to attend the Cracking Your Brand DNA Code for Competitive Advantage workshop, click the link and enroll now. Get it on your calendar and be prepared to clarify and distinguish your personal brand for competitive advantage. I'll see you there. Thanks for listening.